Come in.
How are you, sir?
Yes, I'm okay.
Here is your package.
Okay, from who?
Yeah, just to read and sign here.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you so much.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Listen here, my friend, and listen carefully, because your life depends on the instructions that I'm going to give you in the next 10 minutes.
What is it all about?
David Moffat, born on the 25th of May 1988, and you live at number 244 Churchill Avenue. I have your exact location, and your life is in danger.
What do you mean? You must be mistaken with somebody.
I'm not in danger, I'm okay.
You seem not to be serious, so find out for yourself. Don't even open that curtain again if you want to leave and see tomorrow. There are 3 men coming after you. Go under the desk right now. Hide there. And I want you to read the announcements as they are. Remember the package that I gave you? Read it as it is.
We've got National Executive Council meeting. 6th of October 2012.
Shh! Don't make any noise. They're in our office right now. Now, continue reading. They're out of the room.
We've got Holy Communion on Sunday at Waterfalls, the National Christian Center. Yes, at Easter.
At the count of 5, I want you to go to the next room and hide yourself in the closet. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now go! Continue reading. They're out of the room.
National Council meeting. 24 November 2012. Zonal seminar. 5th of July and 8th of July.
Is that all?
Yes.
And remember, there is going to be a district youth board election on Sunday at WICC. Always pray and live right. You are now free to go.